The RC Move is the perfect training partner for ambitious runners. This video will show you the many features and functions of the Sigma RC Move. The RC Move has 5 buttons: Toggle minus, Toggle plus, Stop, Start, and Enter. Use these buttons to navigate through the menus and submenus. Press the Enter button to access the main menu. The menu item Training appears on the display. Above this, to the right, you can see the currently selected training method. Select the menu item Training by pressing the Enter button. You can now press Toggle plus or Toggle minus to select different training sessions. The options available are free, interval, program, and smartphone training. To begin a training session, press Enter. As soon as you press Start, the time will start to run in the display. During a training session, you can view the favorites pages that you made. In our example, these are the lap and training times, average and maximum heart rate, calories and time, the visualization of the intensity zones and lap time, the heart rate as a percentage in relation to the maximum heart rate, and the heart rate graph. When you are performing a lap training workout, the RC Move will help you keep track of how you performed during each lap. Each time you press the Start button, it ends one lap and begins a new lap, recording the values in between. If your lap time is slower than the current fastest lap time, the RC Move will display the last lap time. If you have achieved a new personal best lap time, it will display a Best Lap message. In addition, the lap counter function shows the total number of laps. You can complete up to 99 laps during a workout. The zoom function can be used in all functions. This individually displays the values that have just been determined on the screen. To access the zoom, press the Enter button one or more times. If you want to pause a training, press the Stop button. You can resume the interrupted training by pressing Start. After pausing your training, you decide that you want to end your training. Press Stop again. Now the display asks whether you want to stop the training and save by pressing the Stop button, or if you want to continue by pressing Enter. To delete a training, press the Toggle plus minus button. The display asks whether you want to reset and exit or continue. With the Stop button, you can now delete the training completely or still continue the training by pressing Enter. When using interval training, you are shown the currently set interval length and recovery phase. Press Enter to select the training session and go to the warm-up phase. This can be started by pressing the Start button. To go to the next phase, press and hold Enter. The interval phase will start automatically, followed by the recovery phase. 99 intervals will run automatically. You can individually select the number of intervals that you want to complete and then press and hold the Enter button to end the interval phase. You will then automatically switch to the cooldown phase, which completes the interval training session. However, the training time will continue to run until you stop the training session by pressing and holding the Stop button. Training programs can only be set using the data center. Instructions on how to do this can be found in a separate tutorial, Setting a Training Program Using the Data Center. More information can be found in the tutorial Training with a Smartphone in combination with the Sigma Move app. To import the data to the data center from your watch via the Sigma wireless dongle or export training programs from the data center to your watch, you must activate the PC mode on your watch by pressing the Enter button. Instructions on how to connect the watch to the data center on a PC or tablet can be found in the tutorial Setting Training Programs with the Data Center. The last step is to show you how to access the extensive memory function of the RC Move. In the main menu, use the Toggle plus button to scroll to Memory, then press Enter. Here, you can choose to view your saved training sessions or your overall data. Select the menu item Training to view a chronological list of all training sessions. Once you find the training session that you want to review, press the Enter button. The general data includes training and start time, average, minimum, and maximum heart rate, and calories. With the Toggle Plus button, you can also select the lap data, target zones, and intensity zones. Press Enter to view your details. The total memory compiles absolute values such as the number of trainings, training time, and calories burned in weeks, months, or since the last reset. Use Toggle Plus to navigate through the last 12 weeks of the year. The top display shows the calendar week and year. In this setting, you can use the Enter button to view the summarized training time and calories burned in a week. The same applies to the options for month and the total overview since the device was resetted. Now, you should have a basic understanding of the functions and features of the RC Move. More information about the functions and features and how to program Sigma Sport products can be found on our microsites and our YouTube channel. Sigma Sport wishes you the best of luck achieving your fitness goals with your RC Move.